Hello guys, welcome back to Good Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Bluetooth is not working on your S23 Ultra and how we can fix this up. You can try the same step both on the S22 as well as on the S22 Plus. The first one, when you're having an issue with the Bluetooth, the first step is all about to restart the Bluetooth. So just go over here in the settings. Now from here navigate to connections, and you have to check the Bluetooth. As you can see, it is turned off. Just turn this off. Now wait for hardly, I have to say, around 1 minute. Then you have to just turn this on and you have to check whether the Bluetooth is able to work or not. This is what you have to do as the first one. Next one is all about we have to unpair Bluetooth devices. For example, you might be connected with anything with the Bluetooth. If that is the case, just unpair the respective devices, and once afterwards you have to wait for hardly, I have to say, 5 minutes. Then once afterwards just connect it back and see whether the issue is solved or not. That will be also working for you guys as well. Next one is all about we have to enable the airplane mode. Sometimes and enabling the airplane mode did work out for many users, so just go for the flight mode. It should be enabled. As you can see, the Bluetooth turned off drastically. Once afterwards just turn this off, so the Bluetooth will be turned on once again. Turn on the Bluetooth and you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Last and the least one is all about we have to try two very important steps, and one among them is we have to do a reset network settings. Just go over here in the settings, keep scrolling down and navigate to about phone, scroll down and navigate to reset, and just go for reset network settings. And you have to keep in mind it will be like a fresh start, so just do a reset network settings. Afterwards you have to check. Even if you're trying with this, most probably when you do the airplane mode, reset network settings will be working fine. So even after trying all these things, if it's not working, just update your OS. Just go over here and navigate to settings, keep scrolling down, navigate to about phone, scroll down and navigate to software update. Tap on download and install and update the software to the latest version, because this will be helping you guys out as well. So these are the possible workarounds which can be done when you're having an issue with the S23 Ultra Bluetooth is not working. I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.